Hi to all, 8th class, first lesson, science. This is 6th part, text in the textbook exercises, 6th part, answer very briefly. The first question is, how many base quantities are included in SI system? Answer is, there are 7 base quantities included in SI system. Number 2, give the name of the instrument used for the measurement of temperature. Answer. Thermometer is the instrument used for the measurement of temperature. Third one. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Answer. SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Fourth one. What type of oscillations are used in atomic clocks? Answer. Electronic oscillations are used in atomic clocks. Fifth one. Mention the types of clocks based on their display. Answer. Analog type and digital type are the two types of display clocks. Sixth one. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? Answer is minute hand rotates once in 1 hour. How many hours are there in a minute? But we have to change this question. How many minutes are there in an hour? Answer is 60 minutes are there in an hour. The seventh part is answer briefly. The first question. What is measurement? You have to write sentences explaining what is measurement. The answer I have given here. Measurement is the base of all scientific studies and experimentations. It is the process of finding a unknown physical quantity by using a known standard quantity. This is called measurement. Then second one. Name the 3 scales of temperature. Answer. Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin are the 3 scales of temperature. 3. Define ampere. Answer. If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be an ampere. See the formula I is equal to Q by T. Again, I is equal to 1. That is, charge is 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb of charges by 1 second is equal to 1 ampere. So this is the answer for define ampere. Fourth one is what is electric current? Answer. Flow of electric charges in particular direction is called electric current. Fifth one. What do you mean by luminous intensity? Answer. The measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. Next one, 6th. Define mole. Mole is defined as this amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. It is denoted as mole. Then 7th one. What are the differences between plane angle and solid angle? Here is the table. Left side plane angle and the right side solid angle. I will read this. It is the angle made at the point of intersection of two lines or planes. That is the one. And the difference between the solid angle will be plane and angle solid. That was in right side. It is the angle by the intersection of 3 or more planes at a common point. Second one. It is two-dimensional and solid angle is three-dimensional. Plane angle unit is radian and solid angle unit is steradian. So these are the differences, main differences between plane angle and solid angle. And the 8th part is answer in detail. List out the base quantities with their units. So here is the table for that quantity, unit and sample. So the first one is length. Unit is meter and symbol is m, small m. Second one is mass. The unit is kilogram and the symbol will be kg. Third one, time. Unit is second and symbol is s. Fourth is temperature. Unit is Kelvin and symbol will be K. Fifth one is electric current. Unit is ampere. And symbol will be A. Sixth one is amount of substance. Unit will be mole and symbol will be MOL. Quantity. Seventh is luminous intensity. Unit is candela and symbol will be CD. So these are the base quantities. 7 base quantities we should keep in mind always. And this is the basic of physics. Next one. Write a short note on different types of clocks. Answer. The clocks are based on display and working mechanism. The display clocks are those which displays in two types. One is analog clock, second is digital clocks. And working mechanism clocks are those which works in two types. One is quartz clock and second is atomic clock. Okay, we will see in next section.